The Locatell form tie is a highly efficient and versatile system for constructing concrete walls. These simple, durable form ties adapt to numerous jobs, increase production speed, and leave a perfect finish. Each form tie is composed of 2 steel brackets and a connecting wire. Assembly is easy. Insert the connecting wire into the brackets and twist to lock in place. Each tie attaches to the outside of the form walls, while the connecting wire provides even spacing and strength against outward force. The Locatell form tie system uses 2 models. The small form tie provides structural support to form walls without impacting the concrete's finished surface. The large form tie offers the same functionality as the small form tie, while allowing the attachment of a superstructure to the form walls. Both form ties use the same connecting wire and are fully interchangeable. The Locatell system offers multiple advantages over conventional form ties. These form ties are rugged, reusable, adaptable, and simple to use. They have no threads or complicated fasteners to get broken in construction or clogged by concrete. Locatell form ties are easily installed and removed, increasing efficiency and overall production speed. At the top of the form, the Locatell form tie can swivel while maintaining tension, allowing a craftsman to easily rod, float, and finish the top surface. These form ties can be placed at the very bottom of the form, providing strength and eliminating the need for additional staking. When a form requires extra strength, the Locatell system allows easy installation of a supporting superstructure. Unlike conventional form ties, the Locatell system allows a superstructure to be safely removed before concrete is set. Conventional form ties leave defects in the concrete surface. Fiberglass rods and metal tabs used in conventional form ties require cutting, capping, or patching to fix. Some form ties don't fit flush, creating concrete protrusions. The Locatell form tie produces a perfect finish with no evidence of its use in the concrete surface. Once removed, these ties leave a small 1/8-inch hole in the concrete. These holes perfectly blend with the teeny air pockets or bee-holes common in concrete walls. The Locatell system is highly adaptable and can be used in a number of applications: board form, plywood, strip and finish, eco board, curb and gutter. Locatell form ties are easily installed in board form applications. Begin by selecting the length of connecting wire for the planned thickness of the wall. Lock the form tie brackets onto the ends of the connecting wire. Cut a groove into the top of both form boards, allowing the form tie to sit flush. Set the bottom row of form boards to the wall's desired thickness. Set the form tie into the cut grooves on the top of the form boards. The form tie brackets will now rest flush against the outside of the boards. Secure the tie in position by driving a nail or screw through the bracket into the form board. Once secured, the Locatell form tie maintains strength and even spacing between the 2 form boards and creates a receptive slot for the next run of lumber. This installation process is repeated for every Locatell form tie installed along the form wall. The Locatell system allows you to add a superstructure by incorporating the large form tie in the installation process. Once installed, this system maintains even spacing and prevents movement of the walls. The form is now ready for concrete. The Locatell system can be used to make form walls out of a number of materials, including plywood. Begin by placing 2 sheets of plywood together. Drill an 1/8-inch hole through both of these sheets. Repeat this step for every spot where a form tie will be installed. Stake one plywood sheet into its final position and set the other sheet against the rebar. For plywood, the Locatell system uses a connecting wire with only one locking end. Lock this end into the form tie bracket. Insert the form tie through the drilled holes in both sheets of plywood. Drive a nail or screw through the form tie. The connecting wire will stick out on the other side. Use the Locatell wire bender to shape the wire so it will lock into the form tie brackets. Repeat this step for all connecting wires along the plywood form wall. Pull the plywood sheet towards the bent ends of the form wires. Insert and lock the form tie brackets onto the ends of the connecting wires. Secure each bracket with a nail or screw. Repeat this process for every place a form tie is needed along the plywood form wall. Once installed, the Locatell system holds the plywood sheets in place, maintaining even spacing and preventing movement of the walls. The form is now ready for placing concrete. A superstructure of whalers and strongbacks can easily be added to the large form tie. Set the whaler against the side of the large form tie. A locking pin is inserted into the large form tie to press the whaler against the form wall and maximize the strength of the superstructure. Drive a nail or screw through the large form tie into the whaler to secure it in position. The locking pin can be repositioned to accept a strongback if additional superstructure is required. Set the strongback onto the locking pin and tap it in position to secure it to the whaler. The superstructure is now in place to add additional support to the form wall. Locatell form ties are easily removed with basic tools. Start on one side of the wall by removing the nails or screws used to secure the form tie. Twist the bracket to unlock it from the connecting wire. Cut and remove the bent end of the wire. On the other side of the wall, remove the screw or nail and use a pry bar to pull the bracket and connecting wire out of the wall. After the brackets and wires have been removed, the form walls can easily be disassembled. The Locatell form tie is a simple, rugged, and adaptable solution for creating form walls that leave no impact on the poured concrete surface. They increase efficiency, production speed, and the quality of your final product. Visit our website to learn more.